Hello everyone. First of all, I'm very sorry and I'd like to express my sorrow for the people infected, died and lost their beloved ones because of the virus from China. I don't care the name of the virus. China's virus, China virus, CCP virus, COVID-19, coronavirus, whatever you can say. But I really care, and the most important thing is China, the dictator and the invader Chinese regime must be accountable and responsible for this. From the beginning to until now, China hiding the source, reason, numbers and statistics of the people infected and died, and all other details about the epidemic. And because of this, thousands of people infected, died, and millions of people lost their jobs, and every aspect of our daily life and future is in danger. It is not the first crime. The dictator China must be accountable. After the invader China invaded our beloved country, East Turkestan, they deliberately, systematically spread this kind of virus, illness throughout our country. And China tested, developed its nuclear weapons not on the soil of China, but on the soil of East Turkestan. And millions of innocent people died infected because of the explosions of the atomic bombing. And during the 70 years of invasion in our country, the invader China killed, raped, tortured, organ harvested, sentenced, orphaned millions of innocent people in our country. The invader China destroyed our culture, historical places, climate, nature, wildlife, everything you think. We are telling these crimes of China for many years, but most of the countries and the people didn't take it seriously. But this time, the whole world must open their eyes and realize the real face of the dictator and invader China, and must take very urgent actions against China's regime. I hope you all be safe and healthy. Never forget, the invader and the dictator China is a big threat for the peace of the whole world, and the enemy of human being, animal being, and nature. Thank you.